In 1996, the Financial Times held an international competition to design a footbridge crossing the Thames between Suffolk and Blackfriars Bridges. A unique collaboration was formed which won this competition, creating a minimal design that gives pedestrians unrivaled views of London, free from traffic and high above the Thames. The Millennium Bridge is only one of several projects undertaken for the turning of the Millennium. Two other well-known Millennium projects include the Millennium Dome, which is currently the world's biggest dome, covering over 80,000 square meters, and the London Eye, a 135-meter high Ferris wheel. The bridge, described as a blade of light across the Thames, was designed jointly by Arup, Foster & Partners and leading British sculptor Sir Anthony Caro, and is a piece of landmark engineering and design. It is a low-level suspension bridge, 350 meters long and 4 meters wide, made of steel with stainless steel handrails and an aluminium deck. The bridge was opened to the public on the 10th of June 2000, when an estimated 80,000 to 100,000 people crossed it. The opening of the bridge, however, did not go as planned. When large groups of people were crossing, the bridge swayed a lot more than was calculated. In order to fully understand and resolve this phenomenon, the decision was taken to close the bridge 2 days later. The movement and its effect on the crowds can be seen from the video footage. The first cause of the problem is the fact that all light bridges sway in the wind. The force exerted by the wind will cause a resonance in the bridge, causing it to sway from one side to the other. This doesn't happen on heavier bridges because they require a bigger force to conquer the bridge's inertia. A well-known example of this is the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. In 1940, the wind had so much effect on it that the whole structure started vibrating and it ultimately collapsed. Part 2 of the problem was that people were trying to compensate for the sway of the bridge by putting their legs further outwards. By doing this, they created an additional horizontal force, synchronized with the existing movement of the bridge, which increased the sway even further. Because changing the resonance frequency of the bridge was infeasible, it was decided to use a dampening system, like the shock absorbers in cars. Each damper dissipates the energy by the movement of a piston passing back and forth through a fluid. After nearly 2 years of testing, the bridge was finally reopened to the public in February 2002. All in all, the modifications cost around £9 million.